There it is. That's pretty good right there. Alex is the epitome of what we look for at Wright State and Wright State athletics.
That one was good.
She's a person, she's a student, and she's an athlete. She does it all. There's not enough lane for you to curve the ball right now. She's a leader on our team.
Like a 2-and-1 or a 3-and-2.
She's part of the
there we go.
The committee that does leadership for athletics. She's a heck of a student. She's in grad school now. Going to end up with 2 masters, and a leader on our bowling team and a great bowler.
I am Alexandra Drsek. I graduated with my undergrad in elementary education, and I'm getting my master's degree in digital design and learning technologies, and also in literacy.
We're going to have to go straighter.
I've been on the bowling team for the last 4 years, and I plan on taking my 5th year as well to just take advantage of everything that Wright State has given to me. 4, I like to think that I'm pretty versatile, but there's always room for improvement. Whoops. Disregard.
She gives me something to aspire to. If I have any questions about what I want to do in the future with my major, or
maybe I'm going to try another ball.
Alex goes out of her way to help the freshmen. She doesn't shy away from questions. You know, how did you get here? What's your experience been like? You know, Alex is just always there to help them. And
I want to be like a 2nd or 3rd grade teacher, but I'll take what I can get with just as long as I can be in a classroom, I'll be okay.
As a coach and a teacher myself, it is wonderful to see young people still wanting to get into education, become teachers, and have that passion for it. And I can tell that she has a passion for what she's studying too. I can tell that she really is in the right career path for her.
It shows a good thing that Wright State's able to put all this together, and you can get the full experience, right? Alex is going to have a great career when she's done. She'll have great memories from the bowling and all that, and she'll have made tons of friends through the program. Now I want you to go 2 left with your feet and do the same thing.